Hello, everyone. This is Jason Hatley, Financial Planning Manager at Five Plan Partners. Today, I want to spend a little time going back to basics and just talking about one of the core principles of financial planning, and that's protecting against loss. Now, before we ever start investing in the market to try to grow our money, we need to make sure that we're investing and protecting what we already have, the things that we value, the things that we can't afford to lose. Now, you probably heard it said that the most valuable asset that we have is our ability to generate income. And if that's the case, then we need to make sure that we're protecting that asset just as much as any other. Think about it. If you were to experience an accident or have an injury that would result in you not being able to work, how would you provide for your family? Or even worse, if the accident took you away from your family altogether, how would they be provided for? How would they make it financially without you? Now, of course, when we're talking about protection, we're talking about insurance. And when we're talking about protecting income, we're talking about life and disability insurance. Life insurance can be used for a lot of purposes, but when we're talking from a pure protection standpoint, you want to make sure that you've got enough life insurance coverage to provide for your family to do certain things. First of all, you want them to be able to pay off any debt that's outstanding, mortgages, student loans, car notes, any credit cards, anything that would present a financial burden to them without being able to rely on your income to help pay for it. Secondly, you want to make sure that any significant future expenses are covered. College costs, car purchases, weddings, anything like that. After those items are covered, you want to make sure that your family has enough to replace your lost income. Now, to move on to disability, disability insurance is there to replace your income in the case that you get injured or have an illness that prevents you from working. To put it in a little perspective, the Social Security Administration estimates that when someone enters the workforce, they'll have a 25% chance of being disabled before they reach full retirement age. And it's not just from accidents and injuries. Other studies show that about 75% of all disability claims are due to illness. So what's the best way to protect yourself against these risks? Well, you likely have access to group coverage to both life and disability through your employer's benefit program. We typically encourage clients to explore these options first because group coverage tends to be the most inexpensive. On the flip side of that, group coverage is often very basic coverage and may not meet your needs. So we also advise clients to seek out personal coverage that can be customized to fit your specific needs. If you have questions about whether you have adequate life and disability coverage, give us a call or schedule an appointment to come in and meet with us. We'll sit down with you, help you determine what you need and how to make sure that you're protecting your income, your family, and your peace of mind.